Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys a video. I get a lot of requests on this video, which is like the copycat pink drink, whatever you want to call it. This is a 24-ounce cup. So I wanted to share this video now because you can actually remix this recipe, and all you have to do is add blueberries on top, and it would be perfect for 4th of July because it would be, you know, like red, white, and blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. This is my electric kettle that I absolutely love. If you do not have an electric kettle, click on my link in the description to this video for my Amazon store, and everything that I absolutely love in my kitchen is in there, including my electric kettle. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of cranberry aloe, and that was one of my Herbalife measuring spoons that I qualified for when we went VIP for LDW. I know I get a lot of questions on spoons and stuff, so I just wanted to clarify that real quick. And now I'm going to grab my pomegranate liftoff. It's already crushed. If you don't know, crush your liftoff and it will dissolve almost instantly. As you see me pour it into this cup, you will see it just instantly turn to bubbles and it's dissolved, so you don't have to deal with waiting for the tablet, even though the tablet does go quickly. If you just crush it up a little bit, it's going to dissolve this fast. So I'm going to swirl my cup, and you can see the liftoff is there. And now I'm going to grab my dragon fruit drink mix. These are the beverage enhancers from Herbalife, and they are now available for all distributors. That was a half a teaspoon that you saw me add in there, as well as a half a teaspoon of my raspberry tea. And again, I'm using my little measuring spoons that Herbalife sent me for qualifying VIP for one of the events. So if you guys are distributors, qualify for everything, because Herbalife always sends you amazing little things. Even those little mugs back there and my little drink thing that says Herbalife on it, that's often qualifying. So set those goals and qualify. Now I am going to get my wild berry protein drink mix. The recipe calls for 2 scoops of it, but I'm making this for myself, so I just put 1 scoop because I didn't want a lot. So you're going to put 2 scoops of the wild berry protein mix, and then you are going to put 1 scoop of Beauty Booster. I don't know about y'all, but I can't live without Beauty Booster. That is something I drink every single day. So you're going to put a scoop of that in there, and then you're going to get the amazing frother. Again, if you do not have a frother, it's just like the electric kettle. Those are 2 things you must have in your kitchen if you do Herbalife: and a frother and an electric kettle. So go to my Amazon store. You will see the links in there so you can order yours and have yours at home as well. So I'm just going to blend all that together in the bottom of this cup. And then we are going to, as y'all know, the secret of separation is ice. So I'm just going to go ahead and start filling my cup with ice. You're going to see me do that in this clip next. So I just wanted to take a moment to thank all of you for liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing the love. Thank you for sharing all of my pages. Thank you for following my Facebook and my Reels and my Instagram and keeping up with me. I love all of you for the love and support. That is what keeps me going. I know I was gone for a while, but you know, I just went through surgery and a couple other things in life. Life happens, but the important thing is we don't give up. We always bounce back. So now I am going to show you that I have my ice stacked in my cup, and we are going to go ahead and chop up some fresh strawberries, because if you've ever seen this amazing copycat drink, of course it calls for fresh strawberries. I always keep strawberries chopped up in my house to, you know, like snack on and put inside of a bunch of my recipes. So I just went ahead and chopped up a whole bunch of them, cleaned them up, and put a whole handful on top of my ice, because of course we want our strawberries to float around, right? And now you see me adding coconut milk. Go ahead and choose whichever coconut milk you like for your recipe. You're just going to go ahead and pour the coconut milk slowly on top of your strawberries, and it's going to separate the tea just like this, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I just want to show you up close. And like I said, if you just get some blueberries and add them to the top, perfect for 4th of July, because it will be red, white, and blue and milky looking, and it would just be perfect. And then you can name it any kind of special name you want to name it for your club to promote it for that week. I don't know if you want to, you know, like name it something close to your club. If you got, your club is named Healthy Spot Nutrition, you can call it the Firework of Healthy Spot. I don't know. You can just play with names, play with recipes, add some blueberries, promote this for 4th of July, and people will love it, especially if they love coconut milk. So I hope you guys like this recipe, and as you know, I do have my recipe book available on Facebook. It's a full lifetime membership. You pay a one-time fee and you will get updated recipes forever and ever and ever. I will always add to it. I love all of you guys. Everything is in the description to this video. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. Thank you for turning on notifications. And I will be uploading more recipes here for you guys as well. And as you can see, when you mix this up, it actually looks like the actual pink drink. But anyways, love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.